If your laser focus is off, nothing else really matters. Your cuts won't be clean, your engravings will look fuzzy, and you'll waste time and material. The good news? Finding your perfect focus is actually pretty simple. All you need is a piece of wood and a caliper. Let me walk you through the theory first. You take a flat piece of wood and raise one side. Just prop something underneath it so it sits at an angle, like a little ramp. Then you run a straight line across it as a cut. Low power, high speed. You don't want to cut through, just leave a visible mark. If you look at that line from above, you'll see it starts out thick, gets really thin at one point, and then goes thick again. That thin spot, that's where your laser was perfectly focused. You measure from there up to the top of your laser head with a caliper, and that's your focal distance. Enough theory. Let's do this for real. I've raised one side of my wood and positioned the laser head close to the raised end. Now I'm running the line, low power, high speed. You can see exactly where the line gets thinnest. I'm marking that spot with a pen to make measuring easier. Now I place the caliper from the top of the laser head down to that mark, and that number right there is my perfect focal distance. I can lock the caliper and reuse it every time. This works the same way for diode and CO2 lasers. And as long as your lens stays the same and your machine is properly maintained, this distance won't change. Now that your focus is dialed in, head over to imag-r.com and get your image prepped for engraving. That's where the real fun starts.